All right, today we're looking at a 2014 Hyundai Elantra SE. All right, it's got 54,000 miles on it. It's gray metallic in color. I'm going to walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice wind protectors right here on the windows. Driver's side of the Elantra is in good shape. Everything looks good across the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Hyundai. It's a 14. All right, it's an SE trim level with 54,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. All right, nice protector mats there. Gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. It is an automatic. All right, got a little bit of storage in here with the power supply outlet, auxiliary, and USB/iPod. All right. Heated seats. Got your climate control area there. AM/FM CD player. And your display screen is going to be right there, and we'll show you that in a second once we get it started. Got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then you got your active eco button over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 54,741 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. Let me knock down some of that glare for you. All right, got your radio display there. All right, it does have the backup camera. Okay, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Got your climate control area here. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems at all. Got the heated seats. And then once again, got your power supply outlet, USB, iPod, and auxiliary hookup. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. All right, door panels look good. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Okay, back seat cloth looks good. No issues at all here. Got the center console that comes down, armrest/cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look at your trunk space. All right, carpet back here looks good. Plenty of space back here. Take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 16-inch alloys. All right, tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, looking at a 2014 Hyundai Elantra SE, 54,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.